If you're sick of eating the same vegetables and looking for a new way to spice things up, we've got some good news for you. Kidney beans. The tried and true legume are cheap, versatile, and, best of all, high in nutritional value, as their name implies. These popular beans are kidney-shaped and red in color. Kidney beans are typically eaten well cooked and are used in a variety of traditional dishes. Raw or undercooked kidney beans are toxic, but properly prepared beans can be a nutritious part of a well-balanced diet. So keep watching to find out why our experts recommend kidney beans as an important part of a healthy diet, as well as how simple bean recipes can spice up your daily routine. Number 1. Kidney beans controls blood sugar. Beans have a low glycemic index, so they don't cause blood sugar spikes when consumed. They can also help to moderate the effects of foods that cause blood sugar spikes. For example, kidney beans or other common beans can be eaten with rice to slow the rate at which the rice digests. Number 2. Kidney beans aids weight loss. When a person consumes beans, the fiber and healthy starches they contain can aid in the creation of a feeling of fullness and satisfaction, according to a 2013 review. This could be used as a long-term dietary strategy to help prevent overeating and may result in weight loss. Number 3. Kidney beans aids digestion. Kidney beans' most well-known health benefit is their ability to aid digestion. Dietary fiber can stimulate gastric juice production and promote peristaltic motion, which keeps the bowels moving normally. Consuming these fiber-rich beans on a regular basis can help prevent constipation and bloating while also lowering your risk of hemorrhoids and ulcers. Number 4. Kidney beans have anti-aging benefits. Kidney beans are not only high in protein and carbohydrates, but they are also high in antioxidants. They are known to limit cell damage and promote longevity due to their anti-aging properties. By including kidney beans in our diet, we can reduce the damage that unhealthy foods cause to our bodies and skin. Number 5. Kidney beans boost your bone mineral density. Kidney beans contain minerals such as phosphorus, magnesium, copper, and manganese, all of which contribute to bone mineral density. Increasing your mineral intake lowers your risk of developing osteoporosis, keeping you strong and active as you age. Number 6. Kidney beans helps to prevent birth defects. A single cup of kidney beans contains more than half of the daily recommended amount of folate. The most notable benefit of folic acid is that it can reduce the risk of neural tube defects in infants, making it an essential nutrient for expecting mothers. Number 7. Kidney beans improves the immune system. Although the amount of vitamin C in kidney beans is not as high as in other vegetables or fruits, it does contain more than 10% of your daily requirement in each cup. This can stimulate the immune system and increase the production of white blood cells, the body's first line of defense against foreign pathogens. It is also necessary for collagen production, which aids in the repair of processes throughout the body. Number 8. Kidney beans improves your skin. This high-fiber, protein-rich food is also beneficial to your skin. They are high in zinc, which has anti-inflammatory properties and aids in acne treatment. Thus, eating kidney beans can help you keep your skin healthy and glowing. But while beans are beneficial to your skin, it's also important to avoid foods that aggravate your acne. Things to watch out for. Many beans and pulses contain lectins, which are potentially toxic proteins to humans. The lectin content of beans is reduced by soaking and boiling them. To ensure that beans are safe, people should boil them for at least 10 minutes. Gas and intestinal discomfort are the most common side effects of eating beans. These are not harmful, but they can be unpleasant and even painful for some people. When introducing beans into one's diet, the amount should be gradually increased to allow the gut to adjust. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video useful. Also, please subscribe to our channel so that we can provide you with some amazing health videos to help improve your health. See you next time.